All right. So we're going to talk about our final property that we haven't visited, and it's going to be called the product rule. Product rule. Okay, inside the product rule, it says that if I have x to the a multiplied x to the b, the most important thing we have right here is what we would like to refer to as like bases. And so if those are alike, what happens is we add the exponents. Add the exponents. Because multiplication is repeated addition and product is a word associated with multiplication, we should be able to understand that. And so we have order of operations we're going to do. So I'm going to look inside the parentheses right here. There's nothing I can do inside the parentheses. So now I go to exponents, and we have an exponent up at the top. That's going to be the power rule. And so this becomes 2 to the third, x to the ninth, z to the sixth. Bottom hasn't changed yet. Okay? And so now I look for like bases in the bottom, because after exponents and order of operations is multiplication and division. I look for like bases. I have x's and I have z's. And so the top is going to be 2 cubed x to the ninth, z to the sixth, all over. Now we're going to perform the product rule. It says x to the third multiplied to x to the negative fourth. So I have 3 plus negative 4, which is 3 plus negative 4. It'll be negative 1. It would be. Y has nobody to pair up with, so it stays. And now I have z squared times z cubed. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we're going to perform the quotient rule. There's my like bases, and there's my like bases. So 2 to the 3 has nothing to pair up to on like base. What is 9 minus negative 1?
10.
So it's positive 10, so it stays in the top.
9 minus negative 1.
Okay? Z, 6 minus 5 is, positive 1, so it stays in the top, and therefore my y to the fourth is right there. Correct? Now then, all I can do left is I can go ahead and cube 2. It was already at the bottom. It was already in the bottom of the problem, so it had nothing to pair it with, so it stays there. Nothing has happened to help it move. Right? And if it's already positive in the bottom, it just stays there. If it's negative in the bottom, it flips to the top. It's not just because it's positive that it goes to the top. All right?